Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning, dear students. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn a new topic. Are you ready? Good. Let's see what we are going to learn today. Topics of today's lesson are Introduction of Number Line and Addition. Objectives of today's lesson are students will be able to know about number line, use number line in simple addition, understand that adding two numbers is called addition, recognize that plus is the sign of addition, add two numbers to get their sum.
Two plus 3. The frog starts at 2 and then moves 3 places to the right. The frog lands on 5. So 2 plus 3 equals 5.
We can also carry out addition using the number line. To find the sum of 3 and 4 using the number line, we start at 3 and jump 4 numbers to the right. What number do we get? Yes, you are right. We get the number 7, which is the answer. Therefore, the sum of 3 and 4 is 7. Adding 0. Let us see what happens when 0 is added to any number. There are 3 cherries in the first bowl and no cherries or 0 cherries in the second bowl. How many cherries are there in both the bowls in all? So here 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Thus, there are 3 cherries in all. Thus, it can be concluded that the sum of any number and 0 is the number itself.
Today we will learn about addition. Here is a basket with 1 apple. Let us add 1 more apple to the basket. Now we have 2 apples. So when you add 1 to 1, you get 2. Let us add 1 more apple to the basket. Now we have 3 apples. So when you add 1 to 2, you get 3. Let us add 1 more apple. So 1 added to 3 gives 4. Adding 1 more apple gives 5. Notice the sign we have used to indicate addition. It is called the plus sign.
Here comes one ant.
Behind him, one more ant.
Children, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2.
Here comes a lady's finger. She looks very cheerful.
Here come 2 more. Are they going shopping?
So you understand, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3.
Ah, 1 flower.
Oh, 3 more flowers.
Children, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4.
See a wonderful sight. 1 cat driving a car.
Oh, there are 4 more.
That's good. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5.
Here come two elephants.
Look, two more friends have joined them.
So now there are 4 elephants. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4.
Dear students, plus is the symbol for addition, and few vocabulary words are addition, add, sum, total, plus. Let's count the objects and find out the total number. 1 pencil plus 2 pencils is equal to 1, 2, 3. 3 pencils. Let's do another example. 2 bottles plus 2 bottles is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bottles. It's time to do some more practice of addition sums on our green board while using number line. One sum has been done for you. Now you can solve rest of the addition sums and show them to your teacher. Best of luck everyone. Take out your smart number workbook, open page number 3 and complete the number line. On page number 29 and 31 of Smart Number Workbook, try to solve the given sums. I'm sure you all can solve them independently. On day 4, you have to complete the addition story of 4 and 5 on page number 44 and 52 of Smart Number Workbook. Your day 5 task is to solve the addition sums in your math notebook. Sample copy work is given for you and one sum has been done for you. It's time to revise what we have learned today. Today we have learned about number line. We have used number line in simple addition sums. Now we can distinguish that plus is the sign for addition and by adding two numbers to get their sum is called addition. Learning numbers is always fun. Dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson and now you can add two numbers very easily. I'll come again with a new topic. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Have a good day.